Ever feel like the world has crumbled because of a disappointing exam result? This feeling, my friends, is far more common than you might think. All over the world, people deal with the sharp sting of setbacks. But here's the thing. It's a universal experience. We've all there. Even the most successful people have faced disappointments at some point in their life. A setback, like a disappointing exam result, is a signal. It's a signal that something was not in alignment. Whether that was your preparation, your understanding of the study material, or the exam itself. Here's the silver lining. It's not the end of the world. In fact, it's a chance to grow and learn. Setbacks teach us valuable lessons about ourselves and how we approach challenges. They give us insight into where we need to improve and how we can do better next time. Setbacks are temporary. They do not permanently mark our capabilities, our worth. They do not define us. What defines us is how we respond to setbacks. Do we let disappointment overwhelm us, or do we learn from it and use it to fuel our future success? Disappointment is a natural reaction to setbacks. It's okay to feel disappointed. It's okay to feel upset. But it's not okay to let these feelings overpower you and deter you from your path. Instead, take this disappointment and use it as a stepping stone to something greater. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become more resilient. It's a chance to reassess our strategies and to come up with a better plan. It's a chance to prove to ourselves that we can overcome challenges and that we are stronger than we think. So, the next time you are set back, remember this. It's not a dead end. It's just a detour on your journey. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to improve. It's a chance to prove to ourselves that we are stronger than we think. It's a chance to reassess our strategies and to come up with a better plan for our future. So, the next time you face setback, don't let it break you. Instead, use it as a stepping stone to something. Remember, disappointment is your stepping stone to something greater. So, how do you turn things around after a setback, you might ask? It can seem overwhelming, but it's entirely manageable. The first thing to comprehend is that setbacks, such as failing an exam, are not the end. They're merely a detour on the way to success. Start by reflecting. This isn't dwelling on what has happened. It's about understanding the root cause of the setback. Was it procrastination, an ineffective study plan, or perhaps a lack of understanding of the material? Whatever it was, identification is crucial to change. Following this, learn from your mistakes. This may be a cliché, but it's an integral part of the healing process. If you don't comprehend your errors, you're bound to repeat them. Use this setback as a chance to grow, to create a more productive study plan, to manage your time better, or simply to seek help in understanding subject matter. Now the tricky part, staying positive. It's natural to feel disheartened after a setback like failing an exam. But remember, even the most accomplished individuals have had setbacks. These failures didn't define them, and they shouldn't define you either. Have faith in you're more than capable of overcoming this barrier. Think of it this way. Every setback is a stepping stone towards your ultimate goal. So view a failed exam not as a barrier, but as a stepping stone to your success. Maintain positivity, focus, and determination. Setbacks don't reflect your worth or define your potential. You're capable of achieving remarkable things. The key lies in believing in yourself and persisting against all odds. So to sum up, overcoming a setback entails 3 key steps: reflection, learning, and positivity. It's about transforming a negative instance into a positive learning experience. And remember, the journey to success is not a straight line, but a winding road filled with ups and downs. And it's those who keep going, despite the setbacks, who reach their destination. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't carry the burden alone. It's a common sentiment, particularly when facing challenges. Always remember, you're not alone. We all need assistance at times, and it's crucial to seek help when needed. Support is abundant and comes in various forms. Your immediate source of support is your teachers. They're not merely instructors, but guides in your learning journey. They carry a wealth of knowledge, ready to guide you. Feel free to approach them, voice your concerns, and seek their counsel. Next, consider your peers. They ride along the same wave, encountering similar highs and lows. They offer a unique perspective, having faced similar hurdles. Simply talking to them can provide solace and solutions. A study group is an effective way to exchange ideas, devise strategies, and provide mutual encouragement. This collaborative effort deepens your understanding and also strengthens bonds. In this digital era, the world is within your reach, teeming with resources. Educational websites, online tutors, and student forums are readily available. These online platforms are treasure troves of knowledge, waiting to be explored. Reaching out for help isn't a sign of weakness. On the contrary, it demonstrates your resolve to overcome hurdles and succeed. It's about leveraging collective wisdom to turn setbacks into comebacks. The journey towards academic success isn't a solo venture. It's a joint effort, where shared wisdom lights the way towards comprehension and proficiency. So, whenever you're feeling overwhelmed, look around, engage with your teachers, converse with your peers, and harness online resources. Don't hesitate to ask for help. There's always support available when you need it. You're not alone in this. Together, we can transform challenges into opportunities, setbacks into comebacks, and make the path to success a journey we share. Remember, setbacks are just temporary hurdles on your journey to success. Indeed, every setback, every hitch, is nothing more than a stepping stone, a learning opportunity. They are lessons packaged in disguise, sent by the universe to test your fortitude, your resilience, and your innermost drive. They serve as a gentle push, nudging you to probe deeper, to uncover a hidden strength within yourself that you were unaware of. In the grander landscape of life, setbacks are merely small deviations on your road to success. They are not roadblocks or dead ends. They are simply pauses, moments to stop, reflect, and plan a different route. Think of it as taking a scenic detour on a road trip. The main avenue may be blocked, but that doesn't signify you won't reach your goal. It simply implies that you'll embark on a different journey, a picturesque one, and arrive later than expected. So when you encounter a setback, don't view it as a failure, but rather as a challenge. A challenge that you are more than equipped to conquer. Remember, you possess the power to transform every setback into a remarkable comeback. You have the resilience to rise like a phoenix from a heap of ashes. You are robust, you are resilient, and you are more than capable of overcoming any obstacle that crosses your path. So continue to push forward, strive for success, regardless of the obstacles. Maintain your focus on your goals, keep your eyes on the ultimate prize, and don't permit anything or anyone to divert you from your chosen path. And above all, have faith in yourself. Believe in your skills, your latent potential, and your ability to accomplish anything you set your mind to. Every setback is, in reality, a setup for a spectacular comeback. Every failure is a stepping stone leading to success. Each disappointment serves as a lesson in resilience. So, cherish the journey, enjoy the challenges, and keep forward. Keep shining bright, strive for excellence, and never give up on your dreams. You are capable of achieving amazing things.